this video, I want to show you how to create ethics approval form. First, you need to click extension, Gulfi form, and then load form template like this. And then you can search here, ethics approval form. After you found it, just click it and click load selected template like this. And just wait for it, you will get the dashboard, responses, question, also the settings tab to edit the letter. Just refresh the page and click Gulfi form and then get link like this. And just click continue and choose your account. Just wait for it, click advance and go to Gulfi form like this, and then click allow here. You actually just need step by step, and just copy the link and paste it on your search engine like this. So now the form is ready to use, as you can see, but you can also edit the form. You can add the question like this. For example, I choose date for the question type and just copy the question, and I use date of birth, for example, like this, and you will found it in the form so the audience can pick easily from the calendar. Or maybe we'll change it into radio button like this. For example, I choose type of project like this. Don't forget to fill the option too, like easy or hard like this, and check it on the form, and it will show like this in the form. It's very easy and it's very flexible. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so that row will disappear instantly. Pick any row that you want. So now go to settings tab to change the background color of your form. For example, I choose light pink like this, but you can also choose your own color. And now go to this box of the title. You can also edit the HTML as you want. You can add any code that you have. For example, here I delete the mark behavior code, so the title will stuck like this, as you can see. Also, I want to give an example to update the logo. Just copy the link and put it on logo ID, and it will update it instantly. Thank you.